Hello everyone, I am Yo-Yo. This is a question that people often ask. My smoke alarm has a false alarm. How to disable its alarm sound? I just found out that my friends were installing smoke alarms. After a while, for example, if there are dinners or parties at home, there are more friends, and the smoke generated by smokers is relatively large. Then the false positive situation occurs. We want to disable one of its alarms, but I don't know how to turn off the alarm sound. Everyone will think of our manual, but because it has been too long, the manual may no longer be found. You can only remove it from the top like this, then cancel the alarm. Install it again. This method will cause a lot of trouble. Yo-Yo introduces a more convenient method to you. This smoke alarm, it usually has an installation test button or a mute button. Like this one, it's just a big button in the middle. Here's the big button in the middle. Just put it on top like this. Poke with a stick. Then he can mute for 15 minutes. But you need to pay attention after 15 minutes. If everyone is still in a state of heavy smoke, or it is a situation where the water vapor state is relatively large, then the alarm sound will still appear. So in these 15 minutes, everyone can open the windows for ventilation. Let the smoke and vapor disperse faster. There will be no alarm sound after 15 minutes. I don't know if I have solved this doubt for everyone. If anyone has any other or wants to know more about this issue, you can leave us a message in the message area. We will answer you in detail.